I'm Vicky the Viking, and today we're gonna learn all there is to know about present simple. Affirmative. I read. You read. He reads. She reads. It reads. We read. You read. They read. Negative. I don't read. You don't read. He doesn't read. She doesn't read. It doesn't read. We don't read. You don't read. They don't read. Interrogative. Do I read? Do you read? Does he read? Does she read? Does it read? Do we read? Do you read? Do they read? Yes, I do. Yes, you do. Yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, it does. Yes, we do. Yes, you do. Yes, they do. No, I don't. No, you don't. No, he doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, we don't. No, you don't. No, they don't. To form the present simple affirmative, pay attention where we add s and where we add es at the end of our verbs. For example, I sing, she sings. We add an s. I teach, he teaches. We add es. I come, she comes. We add es again. For the verbs ending in consonant plus y, we drop the y and add ies. I try, he tries. I study, she studies. For verbs ending in a vowel plus y, add s. I say, she says. I stay, he stays. For the negative form of the present simple, we use doesn't, and then keep the verb the same as for the other pronouns. So we don't add es at the end because we have doesn't, which already contains es. For the interrogative form, it is the same as for the negative form. We say, does he read? Again, the s from the end of our verb goes to the verb do, which becomes does. We use present simple for repeated actions or habits. He usually rides his bike to school. Permanent states. Jane lives in London with her husband and her sons. General truths or laws of nature. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Timetables, future reference. The bus leaves at 9 o'clock. And we generally use present simple with stative verbs. I love vanilla ice cream. Stative verbs are verbs which describe a state rather than an action. Generally, we don't use them with continuous tenses. For example, we have verbs of the senses: to see, look, smell, taste, hear. He looks a bit ill today. She seems upset. Verbs of perception: know, understand, believe, realize, remember, forget. I know this song. I understand this exercise. Verbs which express feelings and emotions: like, love, hate, prefer, enjoy, want, wish. I hate broccoli, but I like cauliflower. I love my younger sister. We use present simple with adverbs of frequency. These show us how often something happens. They go before the main verb, but after the verb to be. I always eat breakfast before I drink coffee. Mary is sometimes late for school. Here is the list of the main adverbs of frequency: always, usually, generally or frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely or seldom, hardly ever, and never. We also use the present simple with the following time expressions, when these indicate habitual or general activities: every day, every week, every month, every Monday, every weekend, every summer, on Mondays, at the weekend, in the morning, at night, in summer, in June, once a day, twice a month, 3 times a week. Examples: do you go to the park every day? Does your mom make soup every Sunday? John doesn't exercise in the morning. Now you try it. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, and see you later!